considering going on a trip? Most of you might say no. But for those who need to travel during a pandemic or plan for a future trip, here are the reasons why you do not miss this video.
As you know, air traveling is more convenient and more strict in the COVID-19 outbreak. So, in this video, we are going to show you items that you should include in your luggage while traveling. Alright, let's check it out!
One of the very first items that you must not forget is face masks. The World Health Organization has indicated that we are likely to reduce transmission of COVID-19 by wearing a basic 2 or 3 layer mask with internal reusable filter. Wearing a mask helps compensate the lack of distance that inevitably comes with standing in line, sitting on a plane, or walking by someone on the way to the bathroom. I recommend that it is better to always carry some extra face masks with you. There is no downside to adding a face shield to your travel safety kit. You can easily find it on online shopping apps or in the drugstore with reasonable prices. They might provide protection if someone sneezes in your direction. Face shields can also be useful as a reminder not to touch your face or your mask. Hand sanitizer such as alcohol spray or alcohol gel is one of important items that helps keep your hand clean. Since COVID-19 pandemic, we have to wash our hands as often as we can. While you are out and about to travel or away from the bathroom, hand sanitizer is a good choice. Don't forget to wash your hands regularly. The next cool thing is absolutely necessary to carry. Could be anything. Wet tissues. The main items used to clean hands and belongings are on the surface that may be attached to the hands. Sometimes when we touch things in public but do not stop to wash our hands, we can use wet wipes to clean our hands. The method of wiping your hand with wet tissue should be wiped for about 15 to 20 seconds in order for the alcohol on the wet tissues to kill coronavirus.
Traveling during the pandemic period is quite risky to get an infection. Therefore, medicine must be included in a list. Cold and flu medication for pain and fever is essential. Whether you need it for a headache or toothache, paracetamol is suitable for people who got a normal fever or got infected by COVID-19. This can be used for children, adults, and also pregnant women. And don't forget to bring your chronic disease medication with English label along with a medical certificate in case there is random baggage checking by a customs officer. Disposable gloves can be a choice of your packing list. A few pairs of disposable gloves can help ease any potential discomfort when you are in a situation where you prefer to avoid touching surfaces from your home until you are on an aircraft. You touch tons of surfaces like luggage, ticket, phone, wallet, seatbelt, and so much more. So wearing disposable gloves is another protection aside from washing your hands. Temperature checks are still being done before you can enter many businesses or board planes, so you may want to have one packed in your suitcase to check your temperature before you arrive during this COVID-19 pandemic. Thermometer is another popular item for travelers as it avoids skin contact and offers peace of mind. If you are worried about a fever, it's possible accurate and convenient. A pulse oximeter is also an increasingly popular device that allows you to measure your oxygen saturation level because it can detect even small changes in your oxygen. It's a handy tool for people who want to take an extra precaution in monitoring for COVID-19 symptoms. To make pandemic travel as easy as possible, it's important to have sanitizer and other essential items with you and to keep them organized. Ziploc bag can help you. Sometimes we need to remove the mask. It's safer to remove the mask and store it in a Ziploc bag. Do not leave it on the table or hang at the end of your chin because germs can spread. In addition, Ziploc bags can be used to separate coins, banknotes, or gas and do not mix with other personal items as well.
Another thing that is necessary is COVID insurance, so that if something unexpected happens, it doesn't have to be difficult about the cost of treatment. It also helps to alleviate the expenses and health risks that may arise for us one day unexpectedly. Many countries have issued policy to collect pre-entry COVID test certificate to confirm that we are not infected with COVID, can travel safely and not infect others. Usually, the result will be released 1 to 2 days after dissemination, which the airline wants the result to come out no later than 3 days. And it is necessary along with the COVID test certificate. Can you guess? It's a vaccine certificate. In this situation, wherever we go, we have to bring this thing to demonstrate that we have been vaccinated against COVID-19, at least to ensure that we can travel and less likely to be infected by COVID-19. Last but not least, everything in our packing list is nothing without it. A passport. As we all know, a passport is the most important document to bring while traveling. Please don't forget to check that your passport is not out of date and not less than 6 months old, because many countries have limited the passport age. So, already prepare and check your passport in order to avoid any problem during your journey.
Wear your mask at all times and keep as much distance from others as you can. Please regularly sanitize or wash your hands after you have touched items or surfaces. And don't forget to check your destination's COVID-19 rules for arriving passengers. Alright, grab your passport and enjoy the journey!